Hey everyone, Dr. Derek here from Ruby Canyon Dental. Today we're diving into a question that I get asked all the time. What's the best way to brush and floss my teeth? So stick around because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to give you some top tips to keep your smile sparkling and healthy. First up, let's talk about brushing. Brushing your teeth is crucial for removing plaque and preventing cavities. But are you brushing the right way? Here's a quick guide. 1, choose the right toothbrush. So I recommend a soft bristled toothbrush that fits comfortably in your mouth. A key thing about this is sometimes as adults, we want to use an adult-sized toothbrush, but I've often found that many adults do a better job and have more success with a child's toothbrush. Just make sure that it's soft. Number 2, proper technique. So we want to make sure that we hold our toothbrush at a 45-degree angle onto the gums. We want half of the toothbrush on the gums, half of it on the tooth. And then we're going to gently brush back and forth. Now you'll notice the way that I'm holding my hands, it's more of a pencil grip than it is grasping it like you're holding on or trying to do a pull-up. Instead, we want to hold it nice and light and just do light back and forth movements. Short strokes that are about the width of a tooth. Number 3, cover all surfaces. Make sure to brush the outer surfaces, the inner surfaces, and the chewing surfaces of your teeth. And don't forget your tongue, it can help remove some bacteria and help freshen your breath. And remember, you should be brushing for at least 2 minutes, 2 times a day. Importance of flossing. Now on to flossing. Flossing is just as important as brushing, but it often gets overlooked. Flossing helps remove food particles and plaque from in between your teeth and under the gum line where your toothbrush can't reach. Here's how to floss most effectively. First, technique. You want about 12 to 18 inches of floss, and then you want to wind it around your middle fingers, leaving about an inch or 2 to work with. We're going to gently slide the floss in between our teeth, and then we're going to curve it in a C shape against one tooth and gently slide it up and down. Then we're going to do the other side. I like to think of it as scraping frost off of your windshield in the wintertime. You're just placing enough pressure on there, moving it up and down so that you can remove any debris that's built up there. It's really important for us to be thorough. So it's important to make sure that you floss all your teeth, even the ones in the back. On a personal note, I haven't always, even as a dentist, been a great flosser. But one of the things that I have found that has been the most helpful for me was setting up an appropriate order to be able to floss my teeth. So why is it so important to brush and floss correctly? Well, proper brushing and flossing remove plaque, prevent cavities, and reduce the risk of gum disease. Neglecting these habits can lead to more serious issues like tooth decay, gum disease, and even tooth loss. By investing just a few minutes each day to brushing and flossing correctly, you're setting yourself up for a lifetime of healthy smiles. And I think it's really important to emphasize that why would you want to do it correctly? Well, because if you're already spending the time, you might as well get the benefit out of it. So if you already are flossing or brushing and doing it consistently every day, maybe it's just looking at your technique to make sure you're doing the best you can so you're making the most of the time that you're using. If you found these tips to be helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And if you're looking for more great advice on oral health, please check out our other videos on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, good oral hygiene is the foundation of a healthy smile. Start practicing these tips today and you'll be amazed at the difference. Feel free to schedule your next appointment with us at Ruby Canyon Dental, and let's keep that smile shining bright. See you next time.